question to you about your non-disputed, by you I am meaning now PMLN, People Party, Parliamentarian, JFP, your non-disputed series, because it seems to me that the root of the number of people wrote on their nomination form via PTI, along with supporting certificate. How did the Election Commission conclude, no, they are not PTI, which is at all material times a political party, but they are independent and therefore they are to be excluded, and therefore you go into what you have just said.
And if you can look
What
at
is the
that
thing that,
and if you can, adding to that, if you can look at that document, that will make it very clear. You mentioned while giving facts that on 4th of March 2024, returned candidates were announced. Can we look at that document as independent? And that's the starting point. Then how are they independent?
what's good enough for you has to be good enough for every political party.
Page 21, that is how they are notified. Your Lordship, see, it goes on line.
Number, CMA,
CMA 5840.
page 23.
You see, this is the thing, the power single order, 10 petitions filed.
This is
This order, the 1st of March.
That's the question. How?
because in the nomination form, insofar as I am
Could we
aware,
look at the document first, whether the result so declares or not, because then there will be confusion.
There is a, let me look at it from another angle. Even if we take a candidate who has filed his nomination papers and has stated that I belong to a political party, the point where it's going to be decided is the 3 days after the declaration will be shattered.
Party. Nobody has the right to change, to switch over to another party, because once it is declared that I belong to certain party, if he changes his affiliation and switch over to other party, this, in my opinion, may be a disqualification. ये इख्तियार तो दो अफराद के भी पेपर सबमिट करते हैं. एक शख्स पार्टी से रिक्वेस्ट करता है कि मैं आपके, जिसे हम आम अल्फाज में टिकट कहते हैं, आपके टिकट पे लड़ना चाहता हूँ. पार्टी एग्री करती है, यस, एफिलिएशन सर्टिफिकेट दे देती है. ये दो पार्टीज के दरमियान एग्रीमेंट हो गया. अब न तो पार्टी उससे बैकअप कर सकती, न कैंडिडेट कर सकती. इलेक्शन कमीशन तो पिक्चर में इनको तो इख्तियार ही नहीं है. ये दो पार्टी के एग्रीमेंट में हाउ द इलेक्शन कमीशन कम्स, कैसे वो कह सकते हैं कि आप आजाद हैं, आप फ्लाम पार्टी से हैं. ये इख्तियार सिर्फ और सिर्फ उस शख्स का है, वो भी वंस इट इज सबमिटेड फिर ये इख्तियार दोनों का खत्म हो जाता है, पार्टी का भी और इस कैंडिडेट का भी. क्योंकि अगर वो इस इख्तियार को इस्तेमाल करे कि मैं आज इस पार्टी के एफिलिएशन से हूँ, कल दूसरी में जाऊंगा, तो वो 63A में आएगा. मेरी असेसमेंट ये. तो इसलिए जब पहली मरतबा डॉक्यूमेंट सबमिट होते हैं, इलेक्शन कमीशन का सिर्फ और सिर्फ ये इख्तियार है कि उनके सामने नॉमिनेशन पेपर्स हैं, उन्हें सिर्फ चेक करना है कि जिस पार्टी के साथ, जिस कैंडिडेट के साथ एफिलिएशन सर्टिफिकेट है. फॉर्म 33 अगर आप देख लें, रूल 56(1) के तहत फॉर्म 33 फर्स्ट स्टेज पे बनता है. ये इंडिपेंडेंट है. ये तो डिफाइंड है इंडिपेंडेंट कौन होता है और पार्टी एफिलिएशन कौन होता है.
You are very quiet, Mr. Makhdoom Ali Khan.
Lord, I am listening.
Form 33?
The questions.
Form 33 देखें सर.
I have it before my Lordship.
This is the first, the list of candidates, contesting candidates. हम तो बाद में जा रहे हैं, इलेक्शन के बाद की बातें. तो पहले ये तैयार होना है. क्या इस लिस्ट में क्या बताया गया कि कौन किस पार्टी से है?
Makhdoom Sahab,
You don't want to respond to anything, Mr. Makhdoom.
Constitutional Body Election Commission, through an order dated 2nd of February 2024, declared all of them not as candidates of a. They have declared them as independents, and they were not left with any choice.
My Lord, the issue over here is that these persons who got elected and elected as independent members and were notified as that notification.
एक सेकंड, my lord ने Justice Yahya Afridi और Justice Bandhu Khail दोनों ने कहा, and as earlier Justice Muneeb Saab ने, the determinant factor is there's an erroneous decision of the Election Commission not accepting those nomination papers and declaring all those members as independent, This entire controversy stems from that order, in which order they have grossly misinterpreted this court's judgment. Now, why should the people be prejudiced for something which the Election Commission did not perform with, speaking for myself, its duty in accordance with the Constitution?
होने के बाद ये कहा है कि मैं अपनी एफिलिएशन से विड्रॉ कर रहा हूं.
Yes, my lord, those were the two forms I was pointing out which have been filed by the Election Commission.
But that was after the acceptance of the nomination papers.
My lord, the papers are accepted because, may I just show to your lordship the form?
And we have the total number of candidates that we're talking about. You're referring to only 2 people.
My lord, I am going by the record of the Election
Right,
Commission.
So the total number, because the question would be this starting point, how
This will be evident from Form 33, which was the
Your lordship to an actual form 33, and thereafter, if your lordship looks at page 166 of part 2 of CMA 5840, page 184, 6.
But page 166 तो बाई इलेक्शन है, तो ये जनरल इलेक्शन है ही नहीं. इसकी तो इसकी कोई रेलेवेंस ही नहीं है.
No, this is this page.
Part 2. By election.
Is your lordship looking at CMA 5840 part 2?
168 is the relevant page.
You also see page 184 then?
Makhdoom Sahab,
May I just, my lord, with your lordship's permission?
why were they compelled to apply for the symbol of PTIN?
I don't know, my lord.
No, everyone knows why. Makhdoom Sahab, these are bitter realities known to everyone. That what was happening.
My lord, I will go, my lord, yes.
See, the way I look at it is that this question really doesn't even need to go to Article 63A, remaining even within the framework of the paragraph itself. And again, I'll take your example because of on the undisputed seats. So suppose you have PMLN has whatever number of returned candidates, as I say, whatever number they have, right? Within the framework of paragraph B, suppose 15 of the PMLN returned candidates make a declaration before the election commission that now, no, we have given up PMLN, we will now regard us as returned candidates for People Party. That were to happen, would not PMLN raise an objection? How can they do this? Or vice versa. So even if we put, because 63A comes later, right? Once the House is there and parliamentary party is there. Even within the framework, how filed his nomination on a declaration, how can he of his own bad is a bit of his own volition, just merrily walk into the election commission and say, well, for purposes of this paragraph, count me there. And if that cannot happen, how can the election commission itself do it?
Question, which I don't know why all this discussion is taking place.